high winds fueling a fast-moving wildfire in Southern California. This is new video. Listen to the whipping wind in that. What it is showing is a family driving home as the flames lick the edge of the highway. Sparks hitting their car at one point. Officials have ordered mandatory evacuations. The flames already charring 1,200 acres. Sara Sidner is with me now. This is you're here with me in New York, but this is your area. This is where you're based. This is not the biggest wildfire that California's dealt with, but it is just it just feels so close to people seeing that video, that family driving through it.
That's incredibly dangerous what you saw there, because we've seen this before this year where cars were actually burned through. People had to jump out of their cars because it came so fast and furious and run to safety. You know, that's the thing, is that paying attention to what's going on, but sometimes the winds shift, and so you think you're okay because it looks like it's far away, and then it comes at you so incredibly quickly. We can tell you now that they think they have about 10% of it contained, but contained doesn't mean out. It only means that they've stopped it from moving to a certain place, and we're talking only 10%. This is now about 1,200 acres burning right now.
When you look at any sort of relief in sight, right, the key thing here is the wind. They have the resources to fight these fires. It's all about the wind and the unpredictability. I mean, how close can they get even to these flames to hamper them when the winds are so unpredictable?
Often what they do is they sort of make a fire line. You can see there, you know, kind of a bulldozer trying to make a line there so that the firefighters can get in and start spraying that area. But they also do a lot of stuff from the air to try to tamp it down from there, and then they get the guys to go in there. But, you know, firefighters have lost their lives in these kinds of fires that are brush fires. They're not burning tons of homes, but they can shift so quickly, and all of a sudden it's on you. So these can be very, very dangerous, and they are blocking two really important roadways, especially for the holiday.
Right,
like, it's actually worse. Exactly. And Pacific Coast Highway. These are sort of areas that people will go, especially for the holiday. I mean, it's Sunday. People are going to start going home and going, you know, back from grandma's house, so to speak. So very dangerous. People have to pay a lot of attention to the weather, but also to the updates and where this fire is burning through.
Unbelievable video there and how close it is getting to people driving right through it. Sara Sidner, thank you very much, as always.